Hello dear students, good morning. In today's video, we are going to start a new chapter, classification of elements and periodicity in properties. Okay, so after the deduction of syllabus, we will start this chapter directly from Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, so that's why our today's topic is Mendeleev's periodic table. To explain Mendeleev's periodic table, I will use three subtopics: need of periodic table, Mendeleev's periodic law, and then Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, so let's start the class with first topic, need of periodic table. So our first topic is about why. Why did Mendeleev arrange the element in table? Okay, what was the necessity of this arrangement? So answer is, after the discovery of many elements, like 63 elements were discovered at the time of Mendeleev. So after the arrangement of 63 elements, it was not easy to study each and every element and their physical and chemical properties. Okay, so scientists realized that there should be a particular specific arrangement for element that could provide ease in the study of elements. So for this purpose, many scientists tried to arrange the element in a particular way, but a Russian chemist Mendeleev did a fabulous job. He arranged all the discovered element as well as some undiscovered element in a table which is known as Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, so this is the necessity of periodic table. Okay, to make the study easier, okay, we have to use periodic table. Now Mendeleev's periodic law. So Mendeleev's periodic law means our second topic is about how did Mendeleev arrange the elements in periodic table. Okay, so answer is, first of all, he observed the element very carefully and then he studied physical and chemical properties of element, and after that he found that physical and chemical properties of element depends on their atomic masses. Okay, so on the basis of this result, he gave a law which is known as Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, now let's see what does this law says. So periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. It means when we arrange the element in increasing order of their atomic masses, then the element with same physical and chemical property reoccur after a regular interval. Okay, for example, suppose I am having these 9 elements, okay, and I have arranged these elements in increasing order of their atomic masses. So if these elements, the chemical and physical properties of these elements are the periodic function of their atomic mass, only then after a regular interval, suppose after 2 places I am talking about, okay, after 2 places a element will reoccur with the same property like A. Okay, again after 2 places G will occur which represents a property like D and A. Okay, so this is called periodicity. Periodicity means after a regular interval repetition of same property. So this property is called periodicity, and this law is called Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, now we'll talk about the third topic, Mendeleev's periodic table. So what is Mendeleev's periodic table? So on the basis of Mendeleev's periodic law, Mendeleev arranged the element in increasing order of atomic masses and gave a table which is known as Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, so here I have drawn Mendeleev's periodic table and I have shown some elements from his table. So as you can see that in his table there are some vertical groups which are known as groups, okay, vertical columns which are known as groups, and some horizontal columns which are known as periods. Okay, so in his period there are two types of column, vertical column group, horizontal column periods. Okay, there are 8 groups in his table which is represented by 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Okay, and group number represents the valency of element. Okay, means if we talk about the first group, then all the elements which belongs to first group will show the valency 1 because these belongs to first group. Now if we talk about the second, so all the element which belongs to second group will show the valency 2, means group number represents the valency of element. So similarly, if we talk about the third group, so all the element present in third group will show 3 valency. Okay, same for 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so this is the property, this is the property of group. Now one more thing is there. Then if we talk about the group, then all the element present in group, since they are showing same valency, so obviously they show the same properties. Okay, so all the elements present in a same group will show the same property. Now if we talk about the period, so if we go from left to right in any period, we will see gradual change in physical and chemical properties. Okay, so this is about the vertical column and horizontal column. Now I told you that Mendeleev arranged discovered as well as undiscovered elements. So let's see where. So gallium and germanium was not discovered at that time, so he left the spaces for gallium and germanium, and he named these elements like Eka aluminium and Eka silicon. Eka is a Sanskrit word which means next. So the element which will come after aluminium, okay, he named it as Eka aluminium, and the element which will come after silicon, he named it as Eka silicon. Okay, now one more thing is there. As I told you that he focused, he arranged all the elements in increasing order of atomic masses. Okay, but as you can see here that he placed iodine before tellurium. The atomic number of iodine, atomic mass of iodine is 127 and tellurium shows 128. So it should be, iodine should be placed before tellurium, but he placed iodine after tellurium. Why? Because it shows the property similar like FlBr, fluorine, bromine and iodine. Okay, so we can say that he focused, his primary motive was to group the same element. Okay, and for fulfill this motive, he ignored his own law at some places. Okay, because he not follow the increasing order of atomic weight here. Okay, so this is all about the Mendeleev's periodic table, Mendeleev's periodic law and need of periodic table. Thank you.